Hello and welcome to Flamingo Chicks. Today we are going to learn about science by dancing. Let's get ready to begin. We're going to start with our Flamingo Chicks welcome circle. Everyone gather round. It's time to transform into flamingos. 1, 2, 3. Join in and show me your flamingo. Does it stand up tall? Or does it use its eyes to grow big or small? Maybe it spreads its wings and stretches out wide. Or does it use its fingers like feathers to hide? Does it stand on one leg or use its head to move? I want to see your flamingo get ready to groove. Now, where are we going on our journey today? It's time to find out so we can get on our way. Help me make some magic to reveal the theme. Let's wiggle and wriggle and point at the screen. 3, 2, 1. Wow, we're inside the body. Today, we are going to explore human biology by travelling through the body. We know it's really important to keep ourselves healthy, so let's investigate the body and find out how we can look after it. To travel to the first part of the body, we need to use lots of energy and move quickly. Let's have a warm-up together. Start by wiggling those fingers, bring the energy into our hands, give them a shake, shake one hand high, shake it low, bring it into our shoulders and our arms, give your body a twist and a shake, warm it up, you might like to give it a rub, get our energy going into our legs, wiggle those feet, circle them maybe, give that leg a shake, both sides, very good, and our whole body, maybe we can run on the spot, clap a quick rhythm, see if you can join in with me. Gonna get faster. Keep in the rhythm with me. It's getting faster. And even faster. And as fast as you can go. Very good. I feel ready. Quick, it's this way. Follow me. Move as quick as you can. Wow. The brain is incredible. It's a bit like the body's computer, and it controls almost everything that we do. From thinking, learning, feeling emotions, and even blinking. There are 100 billion tiny cells in the brain called neurons, and neurons tell everything in the body what to do by sending messages. Let's become neurons, you and me, and send messages to different parts of the body. We can do that with this move, going from side to side, sending messages from the brain to other parts of the body. Beautiful. We could do this with our head moving over, or our eyes going across. Maybe our fingers can point in the direction of the messages. Send those messages with me, everyone, like the neurons in the brain. Fantastic! Another way we can become neurons and pass the messages along is by doing a sway from side to side, side to side. We can get our arms and our legs involved with this, pointing those toes and using our expressive ballet fingers. Or we can sway from side to side like this. Or use our head and neck to move from side to side to pass the messages along. If there's more than one of you joining in, you could make a line and pass the messages all the way down the line. So you could stand one next to the other and pass the movement down one at a time. It might look like this. Passing it on, and then the next person passes it on for as many people as you've got. You could even pass it back the same way. Passing it on and passing it on. Great job, everyone. Now, let's see if we can send a message from our brain to different parts of our body, like the neurons. So if I say a body part, see if you can move that part. Let's send the message from our brain to our foot. Wiggle that foot. Let's send the message from our brain to our hand. Give it a shake or a wiggle. Let's send the message from our brain to our legs. Move those legs. Let's send the message from our brain to our eyes. Blink and move those eyes. Great job. Let's try and connect them together. We're going to send the message from our brain to our foot, but we're going to see if we can move all the parts of our body on the way there. It starts in the brain. Move our heads together. Then it comes into our shoulders. We're going to send the movement into our shoulders and our upper body, moving around into our hips, give them a wiggle, into our legs, and then this leg all the way down to our foot. Good job. Shall we try sending a message from our head to our little finger? This time, start the message in our head. Round we go, move that head. Comes into our shoulder on one side, whichever side we're using, all the way into our elbow. It comes into our arm. It's moving our whole arm into our hand and our fingers and our little finger. Good job, everyone. Excellent. Now, I think it's time to go and explore another part of the body. So make sure you're using lots of energy, moving fast, and follow me. Wow, the heart. The heart is a really important organ because it's working all the time, pumping blood around our body. Let's see if we can get our heart pumping fast as we make up a brilliant dance routine together. Now, the first move is all about the heartbeat. See if you can place your hand over your heart. It's on the left side of your chest. Someone can help you find it. If we're really still and press our hand a little bit, you can feel your heartbeat. Try it now. Can you feel it beating? You can start to make the rhythm like this. Join in with me. Very good. Someone can help you find this rhythm. And we're going to take it into a clap, like this. Can you create a rhythm with me? Join in the heartbeat rhythm. Very good. Let's take it into our bodies. We're going to start with our legs. We can stretch one leg in front of us, pointing that toe. We can also do this with our arm, or our fingers, or our head, any way you like. And we're going to see if we can find that heartbeat rhythm in our toe. So we're going to do 2 little taps on the floor like this. Tap, 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 tap. Very good. Try it on the other side, whether you're using your leg or your hand or your head. Tap, 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 tap. Brilliant. This is the second move in our dance routine, and we're going to do 4 on each side, 4 taps. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. Here we go. Tap, tap, that's 1. Tap, tap, 2. Tap, tap, that's 3. And 4. Very good. Now we're going to explore the heart itself. The heart is divided into 4 chambers. And we're going to see if we can learn that by stretching to the 4 different chambers of the heart. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and in. Can you try with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, and in. Very good. You can do this with your head and neck or your eyes, looking to the 4 chambers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and in. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, and in. Fantastic. The next move in our routine are pliés, but special heartbeat pliés. They look like this. We can bring our bodies into first position, but we're going to do a double bounce like a heartbeat as we bend and stretch. It looks like this. Boom, 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 boom. So we bend twice. Bend, 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 bend. With our arms, bend, 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 bend. Or our hands, bend, 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 bend. Or our head, bend, bend. Any speed, bend, 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 bend. Any speed you like with any part of your body. Let's do 4 heartbeat pliés. Let's go. Boom, 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 boom. Excellent. Now the last move of our heartbeat dance is a freestyle. I'm going to clap 8 heartbeats and you can freestyle any moves you like to these heartbeats. It'll sound like this for 8 counts. Are you ready for a practice? Off you go. Show me your best moves. 1, 2, 3. Keep going. 4, 5, 6. Very good. 7, 8. Fantastic, everyone. It's time to put it all together for our heartbeat dance. We start by finding our heartbeat with our hand or with someone helping us. Can you feel it? Let's do 4 beats together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Into our toe taps. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chambers of the heart. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and in. 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 Heartbeat pliés. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic. Freestyle time. Off you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. 5, 6. Very good. 7, 8. Wow. Amazing heartbeat dance, everyone. I can feel my heart beating faster because we've been dancing so much. Good job. I think it's time to explore another part of the body. Move very quickly and follow me. Let's go. Wow, the lungs. Do you know how many lungs we have? That's right, 2, a pair of lungs. We use our lungs when we breathe. When we breathe in, our lungs inflate and fill with air. Our body uses the oxygen. Then when we breathe out, we breathe out the waste and our lungs deflate. Let's try inflating and deflating together as we breathe. Try it with me. Breathing in. Make yourselves big. Breathing out as we come back to normal. Breathing in and out. Breathing in And out. One more time. Very good. Let's practice our ballet arm positions to learn more about the lungs. We'll start with first position, and as we take a breath in and the lungs inflate, we're going to open into second position, like this. And then back to first as we breathe out and the lungs deflate. Here we go. One more time. This is all about opening and closing. We could do it with our hands, breathing in and breathing out. It's important to try and match our breathing with our movement. So if we're using our eyes, we can open our eyes as we breathe in and close our eyes as we breathe out. We can also try this in fifth position. Our lungs are going to inflate and fill with air as we breathe in, and this sends us into fourth position. And breathe out. Very good. Breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. Try it on the other side. Breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. Brilliant work, everyone. Let's try seeing what happens if we take different size breaths. We're going to do that with some grand battements. These are when we move our leg in front of us like this. We could also do this with our arm, our fingers, or our head. As we take a small breath in, our lungs inflate a little bit. So we lift our leg a small amount, like this. Try it with me. Very good. So what happens if we take a medium breath? That's right. Our lungs fill up a little bit more. They inflate a little bit more. And so I think you know what happens next. If we take a big breath, our lungs inflate even more, so our leg goes higher, like this. Very good. We can try that with our arm. Little breaths. Medium. Big breaths. Fantastic work, everyone. Let's go and explore another part of the body. Remember to move very quickly as you follow me. Wow, we've landed in the mouth. Look, can you see all of the teeth? And whoa, I'm bouncing on the tongue. Wow. Now, thinking about the mouth, you might see different people wearing a mask that covers their mouth. You might even wear one too. It could look like this. And whilst you can't see what's underneath their mask, they are probably giving you a big smile. See, I can wear a mask. And when I take it off, look what you can see. A smile. Now, I think it's time to jump out of the mouth. We might be able to use the tongue, a bit like a trampoline. Shall we practice bending our knees or bending our arms or our fingers? Any way we like to think about that jumping action. And after 3, we're going to jump out of the mouth together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, jump! Oh, look! Somebody's caught me! I'm on hands! Now, if we move around all over the hands, we're going to make them quite dirty, aren't we? Shall we try it? Move around with me, all over the hands. Very good, you can stamp and twist. Oh, look! Definitely made these hands dirty. Now we know, don't we, that it's really important to wash our hands well and to wash them often. Let's practice together. Pretend you're turning on the taps and you're getting some water on your hands, getting them all wet. And then we put some soap on our hands and rub it together. And it might get nice and foamy, I love that bit. And we're going to start by washing around our wrists. Very good. Getting all of the dirt off, rubbing them together. In between our fingers is very important, on both sides. Very good. Round our thumbs. We don't want to miss a single bit. Good washing, everyone. Keep going. And rubbing our fingers and our palms, getting every bit off all the way round. So we're getting all of the dirt off our hands, keeping them nice and clean and safe. And then we rinse them underneath the water. There we go, getting all that soap off, good job. And we can flick the water off. Flick the water off in your sink. Good flicking before we dry them on a towel. Excellent, good job everyone. Well done. To finish our session, we're going to do a lovely relaxing cool down. You can find whatever position's comfortable for you. I'm going to sit on the floor. We're going to start with our ballet fingers. Can you show me your thumbs? Give me a thumbs up. And your first fingers? Lovely. We're going to match our thumb and our first fingers together to make our lovely ballet fingers, a bit like a bird's mouth. Someone can help us find that ballet finger shape by squeezing the tip of our thumb or our first finger to feel that movement. We're going to take our ballet fingers into some circles to relax our hands and our arms, bringing them round in a circle. We can relax those fingers and thumb, just bringing that circle shape around and relaxing into it. Maybe someone can find the circle shape using their finger on the back of our hand, or we can find it with our head and neck, bringing it round. Our eyes can explore that circle shape. Round we go. We're going to take our circles into a big tall stretch now, thinking about our body growing nice and tall. We can do this through our body, our chest lifting up. Our shoulders and our arms can lift up and down, up and down, up and down. Maybe our arms come into this stretch all the way up and floating down like some wings. And again, bringing our bodies and our arms up for a lovely tall stretch and floating down. Relaxing as we come back down. We're going to see if we can take that stretch into the side of our bodies now, and we're going to start by moving our head from side to side very gently. Feel that stretch from our ear all the way to our shoulder. And on the other side, stretch that lovely long movement from our ear to our shoulder. We're going to take that movement into the side of our body, making a lovely rainbow as we stretch up and round, up and round. Thinking about the stretch we can feel in the side of our body. Lovely. And the other side, stretch that side of our body, bringing it up and back round. Now, to finish, we need to see if we can make the flamingo chick's petals appear. We need to do this by squeezing our bodies in small, bringing everything in and giving yourselves a big hug. Squeeze our hands, our faces, our arms and our legs, and we're going to count to 3 before growing out big to make the petals appear. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, grow big. Wow! Look at that! Well done! Let's try it again. Can you count with me this time? Squeeze your bodies in. Give yourself a big hug. And here we go. 1, 2, 3. Grow big. Fantastic. Look at that. Well done. Thank you for joining us and dancing today. There's lots more to do if this made you say, hooray! We've got science experiments and arts and crafts for you to try. You could send us your pictures. We would love to say hi. See you next time.